Kuala Lumpur! Last July, we went to Kuala Lumpur and visited several places like the Batu Caves, ate at the night market in Jalan Alor. But for this video, let me highlight to you our trip to the Skyworlds at the Genting Highlands. Imagine this as a Universal Studios of Singapore, but cold. We are going to Genting Highland today! From Kuala Lumpur, we're going to take the bus later. So from our hotel, we're going to take a taxi to the bus terminal, and then the bus is going to bring us to Genting. In Genting, the plan is to take the cable car. So I'm gonna show that to you in a while. Before we go to Genting, we discovered in our hotel that there is a buffet. Aside from the cool places that we were able to visit here in Kuala Lumpur, what I really loved about this place is that everything is so affordable. Even our hotel is so affordable. Actually, we just booked it for 1,300 pesos a night. So that is a little less than $25 a night. In Manila, we're used to the price of $20 minimum for hotel breakfast. But here in Malaysia, we only had to pay half of that. This is just 500 pesos, which is around $8. And you get congee and noodles and fried rice, sausage, and egg. It was really awesome that we were able to have a full breakfast before going to Genting. Step 1 to go to Genting is to get a Grab that will bring you to KL Central. From KL Central, you just go down, and that's where the bus terminals are going to Genting. Step 2 is to book your bus ticket going to Genting. This is how the bus looks like. So we paid, I think, 20 ringgit. That's around $4 to $5. So the trip is going to be an hour and a half. The seats in this bus are really comfortable. They even recline, and you have a footrest. So they recline like that, and there's a footrest. We've reached Genting Highland. It's quite cold here, so we are now going to the cable car. Part of what we paid for in the bus is this cable car ride. So if you actually purchase the 20 ringgit bus and cable car, you won't have to queue anymore to buy your ticket there. So it's quite convenient because you get to go straight here. These are the cable cars we're gonna ride. Step 3 is to take this Awana Skyway cable car to Skyway. View is fast moving, and it's quite cold here. I think it's around 18 or 20 degrees right now. Oh my gosh.
Okay, careful, mommy. It's okay, mommy. It's very thick steel.
We were so high, and the cable car was good for 8. So there was another family with us, with a mom who was really scared of heights. So Kai tried to make her feel more secure with the cable car ride by telling her it's made of steel. This is the view from our cable car. It's a I think 10 minutes or 7 to 10 minute ride before you arrive at the Skyworlds theme park. I have to say that this is one of my favorite experiences in KL because the view is really breathtaking. I've taken the Singapore cable car before, but it's nothing compared to this. The view is just beautiful with all the mountains, and the cold weather adds to the perfect experience. Like you're really going up the mountains, and it's getting colder and colder as you go up with all the fog around you. It's a must-try if you're not afraid of heights. There are several stops before you arrive at the Skyworlds theme park. You will first see this area. This is the Chin Sui Temple. You can actually go down there. There's a stop if you want to see the Chin Sui Temple, but we didn't do that anymore because we wanted to go directly here at the Skyworlds. Look at what's behind me. And that is going to be our playground for the afternoon, the Skyworlds theme park. Cable car ride was a bit scary because we were so high and the clouds were surrounding us, but it's okay, it's so fun. We survived our cable car. After the Awana Skyway cable car, when you go down, you actually have to walk around 10 minutes through the mall, and this is what you see in the mall. There are a lot of different restaurants that you can choose from to have luncheon or dinner later on after you've done the whole theme park experience. So there's Korean barbecue, there are Malaysian Peranakan restaurants here as well. And there are activities also that you can do in the Genting Mall. It's a nice walk. Here's a quick walkthrough of the restaurants that you will see as you walk to the Skyworlds theme park. Lots of interesting ones actually. Look at that, caviar and oyster. Here's power plant and motorino. We also have that in Manila. What else is here? Ooh, this caught our attention and we actually decided to eat here for dinner, the Malaysian food street. There's also Jom Makan street food. Look what's behind me! That's Skyworld! Reach the Skyworld theme park. It's really foggy. There. Can't even see what's behind me anymore. It's really cold. You have to bring your jacket here. This is the entrance of the Genting Skyworlds. It's raining right now, but I don't have a raincoat. Hopefully I can still take the ride. These are the shops in Skyworlds. Like in any theme park, there are souvenir shops, candy shops where you can buy stuff from. Starbucks here, and we are Skyworlds. You must hear the excitement in my voice. I feel like a child again going to a theme park. It doesn't actually feel that I'm still in Asia because it's so cold. It feels like I went to the US, especially with this theme park. Oh my gosh, it's foggy. It's so foggy. Some people are running back because it's drizzling a little already. I'm not sure if they're gonna close the rides. Hopefully not. I have a reservation at the night of the museum at 3:40, something like that. So we decided to just buy raincoats because it's raining. We're not gonna miss Genting because of the rain. We're still gonna enjoy. We're here at the night of the museum. Yay! We made it. Sadly, it's closed right now. We're not gonna be able to go inside. So we're looking for other rides that we can take. The good news is, if it keeps raining for 2 hours, they said there's a guarantee that you can get your like a free entrance again inside, good for 12 months. So just check that out in the app if you're going here. Yeah, but hopefully they open some of the rides so we can still go around here because we don't mind getting wet. While waiting for the night at the museum to reopen because it's still raining, we went inside and this is what you're gonna see. Finally, after several minutes, they allowed us to enter the night at the museum ride, and this is how it looks inside. Okay, we're going inside. This is the actual ride and you're supposed to shoot things on the screen like this. Of course, I'm not going to show you the full ride so as not to spoil the actual experience for you, but that's just what to expect inside that night at the museum. It's a shooting game, it's not a roller coaster ride, unlike this next ride that I'm going to try. I am somewhere there and you'll see how fast this thing will go in a while.
You heard her again. Ah! She's very happy.
Oh my god! I was so scared I would fall, especially in the part where it goes down like that.
So what happened?
Trust the harness will protect you from falling, but it's so fun. Also, experience San Francisco attraction here, and I think it would really feel like San Francisco because of the weather. And here, look! What do you call this?
A carnival.
There's this mini carnival. It's great for kids. Your kids are gonna enjoy that. Look, they can win prizes like small stuffed toys. This is such a fun place. We're gonna ride this one, the Independence Day Defiance. I still don't know what it is, so I'm just gonna tell you later after we ride it what it is. Before you ride here, you have to book via the VQ code on your app. I'm glad this is an indoor ride. You don't have to get wet. And this is what the ride is all about. Come on! Apparently, we were supposed to save the world from an alien invasion. So let's see. So it's like a cinema. And then It's a 4D VR cinema, and I hope all cinemas become like this in the future. This is actually my favorite ride in the Skyworlds. I'm not gonna show you anymore what the ride really looks like. That's a surprise for you when you do get to Genting Skyworlds. But this is how it looks like outside now. It kind of stopped raining already, so no more fog. This is how the Skyworlds looks like when there's no rain. So you'll see here the world's largest hotel. We decided not to stay in a hotel tonight because it's just an hour ride to our hotel. Unfortunately, that was our last ride because they're closing already and we arrived a bit late. So I would recommend that you go to Genting a little earlier so you can try all the rides. And my friends are buying this fish and chips. So don't worry if you get hungry, there are restaurants and stalls inside. Let me show you some of the other rides that you can take here in Genting. It is just on a soft opening right now, so not all rides are available. I think they're gonna do the actual opening around November, so I'm looking forward to bring my son around November again in the Genting Skyworlds. It's something that I would go back to definitely, especially since I wasn't able to try all those rides. So bye-bye for now, Skyworlds. Although it was a wet and a short experience, my friends and I had a lot of fun. For a few hours, we felt like kids again. If you're planning to go here, watch my other video on how to book your tickets online and how to use their app to book your rides when you're already inside the Skyworlds.
Just finished the Skyworld adventure. So now we are going to eat here at Jom Makan Food. So I'm gonna show you what you can find in here.
We really want to try authentic Malaysian food, so we decided to eat here because there's a lot of options. So there's mee kari, there's nasi lemak.
It's interesting to go here because it gives you a feel of old Malaysia, and you're going to be able to try different kinds of Malaysian food.
We walked a little bit further to the Malaysian food street beside Jom Makan because there are more options here. And I super love the ambiance here. It doesn't feel like you're in a mall.
Supposed to eat here in the Malaysian food street because it's a good chance for us to be able to try out Malaysian food. We met with a Filipina here in Malaysia and she recommended that we try laksa curry, which is what we usually had in Singapore, and char kway teow. She also said the ice kacang is good, and of course we're gonna get the kaya toast again because the kaya toast is a favorite of ours.
Veg talk vegetarian.
That's where I'm going to get my food. Okay, so they have nyonya, sliced fish, char siao, chicken rice, mixed vegetable tofu rice, nasi lemak, curry rendang, dumpling pan mee soup. What will I get?
This is what Kai ordered. It's char kway teow plant-based, and I ordered nasi lemak.
So I haven't tried the nasi lemak in Malaysia because they don't have non-meat nasi lemak in the places we've been to. And I'm so happy there's vegetarian nasi lemak. In that stall, everything that they sell, even the chicken rice, is actually vegetarian. So let me try it. I'm so excited. This is the taste of Malaysia. Nasi lemak.
How about this one?
And in Singapore, we used to line up for char kway teow in Lopasat. So I'm going to try this as well. You have to mix it together. This is also fully vegetarian. I wonder what this is made of. I feel like I'm Phil from Somebody Feed Phil, traveling for food. But I found vegetarian. So happy. It doesn't feel vegetarian. It's like the real thing.
Nice one.
Yeah, so make it a point to go to the Malaysian food street when you go to Genting, because you're going to be able to try a lot of different kinds of Malaysian food here.
And our friend ordered duck rice, which is like chicken rice, and that's ice kacang. Ooh, yummy. That's like the halo-halo of the Philippines. And this is laksa. There's still so much to explore in Kuala Lumpur. We went to Batu Caves, Putrajaya, and to the Chinatown, and of course in the Petronas Towers as well. I'll be sharing with you our experience in those places too. Watch out, and please remember to like and subscribe. How-tos and reviews by D. Bye. Thank you.